and I want to try to convince you that there should be another revolution in physics, and that revolution in physics has to do with our experience. So I first of all want to discuss the issue, what is the connection between our experience and physics? After all, you might say, we know that our experience has to do with things like emotions and other things that physics can say nothing about. For example, if I see a red color and you see a red color, we know that we see the same frequency, but we can never quantify or even discuss the issue whether my experience when I see a red color is the same as your experience. That couldn't be part of physics. But what could be part and what has to be part of physics is the issue that what our thoughts are finally translate themselves into action in the physical world. For example, if due to my thing that is outside of physics, through the thing that is in physics. If my atoms in the hand has to move this way, something has to cause it. What causes it is the muscle. What causes the muscle to move this way is nerve. What causes the nerves to move this way is some brain activity. But at some point, if I say that some place in this chain comes from something that is outside of physics, that means that physics cannot be complete. Because the axiom of physics is that it has to explain everything that has to do with the physical world. Everything that has to do with things that we can experience with our senses has to be explained by physics. So therefore, physics cannot remain mute to that part of our experience that's eventually relevant for our action in the physical world. So I want to discuss with you not only free will, but some other aspects of our experience that I claim that physics of today is not rich enough to give account of. And that's why I believe that there will be another revolution in physics that has to do with complexity. Our brain is the most complex system that we know about in the world for its size. Of course, the chair may have more atoms than my brain, but the chair is a very simple object. The brain, for its size, is the most complex issue. So therefore, I claim our experience are a sort of physical experiments that cannot be done in the laboratory, because in the laboratory we are doing experiments only on very simple, non-complex systems.